Exercise 35. It follows the same context as exercise 34, but let's see it again. A sporting goods store gave the two coupons below again, to each customer entering the store during a weekend sale. From coupon A, we have a 15 cut of a total purchase of 40 or more, while from coupon B, we have a 30% off a total purchase of any amount. Elena, an employee at the store, gets an additional 15% discount off the final price of an item after all other discounts are applied. How much did Elena pay for a bicycle with an original price of $400 when she presented her employee identification after showing coupon B? Okay, so originally the bike's price was at $400. Elena brought the coupon B, so she had a minus 30% of that price. 30% of 400 is equal to $120. So she paid $120 less. So now the bike's price is at $280. But then, since she's working there, she brought her additional 15%. So she has a new 15% of that. 15% of 280, I'm going to use my calculator or even the Desmos. Let's do 15% of 280 is 42. So she had an additional cut of 42, which means that finally she paid 280 minus 42, which is $238 in total, which makes A the right answer for this question.